Hey friends, I got this new broom from Skennova. I wanted to show you guys. Comes in a little nice carrying case, has a handle if you want to hang it up, and it's a natural straw broom. It's 11 inches and actually even has Velcro right here so you can take it out and store it easily. And then you can see here it's an 11-inch broom. It's actually Kong grass from Thailand. It's got a really pretty embroidered handle. If you can see that nylon embroidery, very cute. Really good for small spaces. I like it to use it, in my car. Sometimes it's good for keyboards because it's really soft. Obviously non-toxic because it's grass. Very helpful for if you just need a smaller tool for a smaller kind of space. Definitely check it out. Alright you guys, so I spilled some coffee grounds here. I'm just going to show you how really well this little straw brush works. You can see the grass picks everything up. Nice one little pile, cleans everything up, just a small little mess. And there you go, comes all off. Got a smooth tabletop after that, no residue, and picks it all up like that, so easy. There you go.